Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. Now today is a tech video. I want to talk about battery life in phones and what you need to look for when buying a phone, the size of the battery and pretty much how it works. Just a little bit of how it works. So I'm just going to get straight to the point, so let's go. Now, as you know, we have been using touchscreen phones for a very long time now, over the past decade and stuff like that. With that comes battery life, bigger batteries, more juice to power the battery. So I've found out that a lot of persons, when they're buying phone, they only look at the cost of the phone. Most time they don't look at the specifications, like the battery size. And I'm not just talking about the literal size of the battery, but more the capacity, how much energy it can hold, how much energy that battery can hold to power the smartphone. Now, with the advent of touchscreen, because we went from the little screens with the keyboard to touchscreens. Touchscreens use more battery power compared to the little screens, the little touchpad phones, the flip phones that we used to have. Having a screen like a 5-inch screen, most phone comes with a 5-inch screen now. You need a good sized battery in order to power that phone and give you enough juice to carry through the day. Now, a lot of phones over the years have improved on this. They have higher capacity. So when you're buying a smartphone, yes, if you're going to buy a cheap phone like a $100 phone, don't expect to get a large battery. Most of the $100 phone that you're buying will have a capacity of around 1,800 milliamps mAh to 2,000 milliamps. Now, the higher the milliamps, the better it is, the stronger the battery is. So if you're buying a smartphone, you should consider buying a phone that has at least 2,600 to 3,000 milliamps battery. Now, keep in mind that even though you're buying a phone like that, the capacity, the energy that is discharged on the battery will be lost over time, because you are recharging and using the battery, recharging and using the battery. So after a while, the battery power will be drained. So you'll find that your phone normally lasts you 16 hours for the entire day on one charge, to going down to 12 hours over like a year period or more. That is the reason why it happened like that, because it loses its strength, it loses its bond, the ionic bond in it, so it's with the capacity will be reduced. So sometimes if you have a phone for over a year, sometimes you need to just take out the battery and put in one. However, some phones do not have removable battery, and those are the phones I try to avoid. Some of them do make them strong enough to have thousands of charge, so that's very good. So keep in mind that you need a phone that has at least 2,600 to 3,000 milliamps to power a smartphone, a 5-inch screen, a smartphone. Because if you do a lot of video, if you watch a lot of video on your phone, if you message a lot, if you're on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all of those, and you're using your phone constantly, texting constantly, then you need at least 3,000 milliamps. Now, if you're an average user, say you're at work 8 hours a day, and you don't use your phone much, you peep and you send a one text or you send a one WhatsApp, and stuff like that, then a 2,600 milliamps or 2,500 milliamps battery can actually last you for like say 12 hours, half day, while you're at work. When you come home, you charged up again. But if you're a power user and you watch a lot of video, emails, messaging, social media, all of that in everything, plus listen to music, you're going to need something above 3,200 going to the 3,400 milliamps range. And some of the phones I would recommend that is above that, they are like the Galaxy. Most of the Galaxy, the iron phones that have it, the Galaxy, there's a BlackBerry Priv that have it as well in the 3,000 range. You have the Moto G, the Nexus, all those phones, but those come with a price, and those phones normally go for like $400 to like $700. So you have to keep in mind, if you're on a smaller budget, you have to keep in mind that you won't get such a large battery in the phone to power your device. So take that into consideration as well. So when you're investing, because a phone is an investment. So when you're investing in a phone, ensure that you check out the battery capacity. That is very, very important, because why the sense you're going to spend $300 or $400 in a battery that in a phone that doesn't last you for even half the day? It makes no sense. So you have to research this, gain the knowledge and understanding of how it works. So pretty much ensure that you figure out the battery capacity. Anything above that, the higher the capacity, the longer the battery will last you, and it's pretty simple. So I hope you guys understand that. I hope you guys learn from that. I hope you look out for that. Before I go, you can find the capacity of the battery. It's normally written small on the battery itself. You can go on the website and look for where you see battery capacity, and you search for that on the website. If you have the phone, take off the back, look at the battery, say MAH, and you'll find it there. You'll know the size battery you have and how long it can last you for. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I hope this was informative for you. I hope you like it. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy all of your subscription. Thanks for watching. Comment, leave a comment below if you have any advice, tech advice, screen size, anything like that, and I'll definitely reply to it. Thanks again. JVLOGS, Plunkett. I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not